AI-powered coding tools are no longer an experiment, they are the new standard. But with so many new tools popping up every month, how do you know which ones are truly the best for Python developers? That's exactly what we're going to explore today, and by the end of this video, you'll know the most powerful AI coding assistants you can use right now if you are a Python developer. So stick to the end to see which tool suits you well or which combination to use. And if you have questions or comments, don't hesitate to write down in the details section and it will be answered as quick as possible. The first big name that still dominates the space is GitHub Copilot, but it's not the same Copilot you might remember from a few years ago. In 2025, Copilot is running on much larger models, with deeper context windows, and it integrates seamlessly into Python workflows. Whether you're writing machine learning scripts, building a web app with Django, or automating tasks with simple Python scripts, Copilot can generate entire functions, optimize your code, and even write unit tests. What makes it so valuable today is that it no longer just guesses what you might want. It actually understands your project structure and adapts its suggestions to your coding style. But GitHub Copilot isn't alone anymore. OpenAI Codex has evolved into GPT-5 Codex, and it is widely regarded as one of the most powerful coding AIs ever released. Developers love it because it doesn't just complete code, it explains it. If you paste a complex Python snippet and ask what it does, Codex can give you a clean, plain English explanation that even a beginner could follow. This makes it a perfect tool for both professionals and learners. And with the massive 1 million token context models now available, it can actually read your entire codebase and reason about it like a teammate who has been on the project for months. Another rising star is Tabnine. Unlike the bigger general-purpose AIs, Tabnine focuses heavily on privacy and local development. Many companies choose it because you can run the AI models privately on your own servers, making it perfect for sensitive codebases. In 2025, Tabnine's Python support is sharper than ever, with advanced type inference, error detection, and suggestion ranking. It feels less like autocomplete and more like a second brain that finishes your code in the exact way you were about to write it. Then we have Replit AI, which has taken the developer world by storm. It's more than just a coding assistant, it's a full development environment where AI is built into every step. For Python developers, Replit AI doesn't just generate snippets, it can run them instantly, debug them, and suggest improvements. Imagine writing a script and having the AI automatically explain why your loop is inefficient, then rewriting it for you. That's the kind of interactive experience Replit AI brings in 2025. One tool that often surprises people is Ponicode, an AI assistant specialized in testing. Testing has always been the less glamorous part of coding, but it's critical for professional software. Ponicode generates meaningful unit tests for your Python functions automatically. You don't have to sit there writing dozens of repetitive test cases anymore. Instead, the AI analyzes your code and produces tests that cover edge cases you might have forgotten. For developers working on large projects, this is a massive time saver. But let's not forget JetBrains AI, which is deeply integrated into PyCharm. In 2025, JetBrains has made its AI assistant context-aware at the project level. That means it knows not only the file you're editing but also how it connects to the rest of the project. If you're trying to understand a class hierarchy or refactor a huge chunk of code, JetBrains AI can explain, suggest safer changes, and even generate migrations. It's like having a senior engineer always looking over your shoulder, guiding you through complex tasks. Now, one of the most exciting areas for Python developers is AI agents that go beyond just suggesting code. Tools like Sweep AI can actually take your natural language instructions and implement entire features. For example, you can tell the AI, add a login system with email and password using Flask, and it will create the routes, the forms, the validations, and even the database migrations. These tools turn your plain English ideas into working Python features in minutes. That's not just a shortcut, it changes the very way developers think about programming. Of course, while these tools are powerful, the real question is, should you rely on them completely? The truth is, AI coding assistants in 2025 are brilliant, but they're not perfect. They can still produce wrong code, miss edge cases, or misunderstand requirements. That's why the best developers don't treat them as replacements but as collaborators. You're still the architect, the decision maker, and the one who ensures quality. AI is the assistant that handles the heavy lifting, the boilerplate, and the tedious work, so you can focus on creativity and problem solving. Another big trend worth noting is that Python itself is evolving in response to AI. Many of the new frameworks and libraries are being designed with AI-assisted development in mind. That means cleaner APIs, better documentation, and fewer confusing parts, because developers now assume that an AI tool will be guiding someone through the process. In other words, the language and the tools are co-evolving, and Python is becoming even more friendly for both humans and machines. So if you're a Python developer today, how should you actually use these tools? The best way is to experiment and combine them. Use Copilot or Tabnine for fast code generation, Replit AI for debugging and interactive testing, Ponicode for unit tests, and something like GPT-5 Codex when you need deep explanations or feature implementations. Each one has its strengths, and when you use them together, it feels like having a team of experts working with you at all times. So, will Python still be the #1 choice for AI-assisted coding in the future? Absolutely. Python's simplicity, massive ecosystem, and popularity in AI research itself guarantee that it will remain the language most developers use with these tools. If anything, AI has made Python even stronger, because its readable syntax pairs perfectly with machine-generated code. The bottom line is this: in 2025, the best Python developers are not the ones who memorize every library or write every line by hand. They are the ones who know how to use AI coding tools effectively. If you embrace these assistants, you'll code faster, smarter, and with fewer headaches. And as the tools keep getting better, the gap between developers who use AI and those who don't is only going to grow larger. Please write down any tools that are noteworthy down in the comments below so the public can check it and we can discuss about it, or any comments or questions and they will be answered as quick as possible. Then like and subscribe for more Python and AI future content, then watch the next AI video that will appear in front of you soon. See you over there.